59ENT. I got my boy G stay on the track. 59 Illy swag flow crew, the two babies run this shit. Baby shot. Certified block boy serving to them junkies. Trapping day and night, plus that kid get that cutty. Drop top Chevy cause the nigga get money. Banana clips on me if you niggas get hungry. Baby be sippin' and I'm gon' squeeze. If you tryna run up and act B.I.G. You can call me Beethoven cause I push them keys. And I pitch hard ride like the MLB. Whip it with my right hand, my left hand jealous. You can be a mile away, I bet you still smell it. Talking about you trapping, but you niggas ain't selling. Only time you see crack is when I spit it and y'all smell it. Bumping to that illy, got the Nikes here jumping. Skating through the hood, 28 and be bumping. See a lot of snakes, cause the block like the jungle. The streets like a sport, and a nigga doing numbers. Dipping from the cops, so a nigga burning rubber. Do a $150 and I'm dancing on you suckers. Acting like these dogs, then it's time to get the muscle. Trapping got a nigga breaking beds full of busters. I'm a superstar in the hood, I'm a trapper. Money, cars, clothes, all this got a nigga after. Selling out quick, well this nigga selling faster. Talking hard body, get ghosted like Casper. Call me Mr. NASA, I'm flyer than a bitch. Niggas love the swag and these hoes on my dick. They love the way I talk and my flow off the real. You rollin' with some dust, but where the hell be y'all your killers?
You ain't got no killers.
Pussy, that's what I call you. I call them like I see you, man, nigga, you ain't a baller. Frontin' like you stuntin', but you ain't getting nothing. My swag ain't proper, cause I'm always getting something, baby.